how to use Google search engine on Samsung internet browser. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to use Google search engine on Samsung internet browser. First, open the browser and click these three lines here in the bottom corner, and here you will find settings. Click on it and click this one here, address bar search, and then click Google, and as you see Google have been selected. Now just go back, it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.